If you have a CDL license, whether you are out of training or you already have experience and you think JB Hunt may be a good fit for you, I encourage you to send me your name and your phone number. My email is moses@driversuccess.com, or you can use the link in the description below. It's the very first link. It will take you to my website, and there will be a form that you can fill out. That form will come with your information to me. Again, remember, this is for those of you that are just out of training, and for those of you that have experience, and those of you that may be interested, like in if you are an owner operator and you want to see if you can bring your truck to JB Hunt. Hey, what's up friends? Moses here from Driver Success. I hope you guys are doing well. Just starting out my day. It's a beautiful Saturday. According to the pre-plan that I see on my app, I'm going to AutoZone in Terrell. I haven't been there for, I don't know, I haven't been there in a long time. I think I haven't been there for more than a year. So I was surprised when I saw that on my pre-plan. It's not really a long drive, but it's a nice drive. All right, let's do this. Looks to me like we have an old trailer, kind of rusty, but look at the chassis, 195736. Looks brand new. Even the tires, look at that. The rims are all new. So we have an old container sitting on a brand new chassis. Somebody already locked these pins for me. Haven't been to this place, I don't know, maybe 2 years even. It's been really long. If you live in Terrell and you want to sign on with AutoZone, 5,000 sign-on bonus. I'm trying to check in, but I need a number that starts with a 24 or 25, which I currently don't have. I've just sent dispatch a message to see if they can get me the number. In the meantime, he's gonna try and see if he can use the pro number that is on the paperwork to see if he can figure it out in the system. But he wants me to get that 24 or 25 number, so we'll see how that plays out. He's been able to find the number that I need using a different number on the paperwork, which is cool. I'm supposed to drop it anywhere I find a spot, but this place looks full already. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, because he wants me to write the number where I drop it on the ticket he has given me, which is gonna be challenging if I don't find a spot. Hopefully I can find a spot. I wonder if this guy is coming out. The guy that I just passed, I'm not sure if he's just parking or coming out, because I need a spot to park. This place is full. Let's try the back. Don't see anything. Looks like what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and go back and see if the other guy could this be a spot right here, the very first one. Wow. Oh no, there is a short one. I'm like, wow. So I just have to go back and see if the other guy I'm gonna go and see if the other guy was leaving, so I can park him where he was parked. If not, I'm just gonna have to find some place, maybe like where this trailer is, and park close to that trailer. He's still there. I'm gonna ask him whether he's gonna pull out or if he's just parking, and then that will help me determine what to do. I've got my paperwork signed from the shipping office. I'm gonna take out an empty from 414. That way somebody else has an opportunity to park. I'm gonna try and see if I can scoot through here so I can close that door. I know I'm a small guy, but I'm not gonna fit here. So we are gonna try and pass through this side. That's dirty. You know what? I'm going to Walmart and they usually check to see if the trailers are clean. So I need to clean this out. And for those of you who may want to tell me to get myself a broom, alright, I'm done. It has taken me longer than I want drop and hooks to take
Turn
me.
right on Airport Road.
When I do a drop and hook, I usually want to do it like within 30 minutes. But sometimes customers can take longer than that, so the check-in process was kind of long. That right there is the trailer I need. These are blocking it. They're gonna take away those two trailers so I can pull the other one out. That's all they did for me. So I guess I'm just gonna have to figure it out. Okay, so in such a case, you have to be careful of the trailer swing. So I barely cleared this side. On my side, I barely cleared it. Now I have to swing wide. Again, paying attention to the trailer swing. Sometimes that's the thing that could mess you up. So you always have to make sure you pay attention to trailer swings. I've cleared it. You see how that guy right there is struggling with the door? You see how he's struggling with that door? Some of these things can be tough. One of the interesting things today is it's like they're trying to get me to go to places I haven't been to in a long time. This load right here that I'm picking up from the rail is going to JCPenney in Cedar Hills. I haven't been there too in a long time.